Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine and good, as well as you are learning a lot of things. Okay, dear students, today we are going to learn a new grammatical topic from your Junior English 3. And the topic is nouns possession or the possessive nouns. It's the same thing. Okay, students, first we will discuss nouns or the noun. You know what is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, thing or animal, like Sarah, boy, tiger, school, etc. etc. Now come towards the word possession. What is possession? Possessions mean to have something, to own something or ownership of something. Okay, students, let's discuss the definition of possessive nouns. You know, possessive nouns are those nouns that show possession. Possessive nouns are used to show ownership. Okay, students, suppose we have a little boy Bilal, and he uses possessive nouns to tell about things that belong to his friends. Now assume that he is telling us, like he is saying, this is Natasha's skirt. This is Tom's hat. This is Dan's photograph. This is Nikki's cat. Okay? So, he uses apostrophe S as a special sign to talk about these things. It is called an apostrophe S. You know, a noun can show what it owns or possesses. As you can see in the above examples, Natasha's, Tom's, Dan's, Nikki's. Okay? With the same example, we will discuss further. You know, we add an apostrophe S to a noun to show ownership. And a noun that shows ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. For example, the cat's dishes. The apostrophe S shows the dishes belong to one cat. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. For example, this is Tom's hat. The word Tom's is the possessive noun. We add an apostrophe S to make a singular noun possessive. As you can see, cats, boys, Toms. Keep in your mind that when we have a singular noun, we will put apostrophe with S to make it singular noun possessive. Okay? Let's see the example. The witch's broom. Okay, now come towards the plural noun as a possessive nouns. We add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in S possessive. It means that we do not put apostrophe with S because already some plural nouns end with S. Like you can see in the example, boys, dogs, girls. So no need to put extra S. There is apostrophe is enough to make them plural possessive noun. As you can see in the example, the witch's broom. Okay, students, now there is a task for you. In your Junior English on page number 35, exercise A and exercise B will be done by you. As you can see, exercise A, sentence number 1 is completed for you and you can take it as an example to complete further sentences. In the same manner, from exercise B, sentence number 1 is completed for you. So in the same manner you can complete rest of the sentences of exercise B. One thing more, students, in exercise A there is a singular noun, singular possessive noun will be inserted, and in the exercise B, as you can see, there is a plural possessive noun boys. So you will do according to the instructions. Okay, have a good day. Goodbye.